insight into both timing and of course magnitude, okay, of price. Now this class is live streamed on YouTube and all that, so all of us can get it wherever you are. Somebody asked if it is actually being live streamed on YouTube. The answer is yes. Okay, so let's go ahead. I hope all of you have pleased that trade, because I don't want it to be that it's only me that make money in class. It doesn't make sense. D30 is not for, sorry, D40 is not there. Okay, so what you need to do, people at home, if you are not able to find DE40 on your MT4, go to your, let me check. Nothing. No, go to the symbol part. That's where you have quotes. Okay, that's market watch. When you get to market watch, you right click and then you click on show all. Go ahead and do that. Let me permit me, people. Let me just move close to somebody and check. Right click there and click on show all. Yes, right click on show all. Okay, so now click on this button. This one. Yes. Look for indices. Index. Yes, you should be able to see B4. I see it. Okay. So for those who are at home, let me give you. Can I exit? Show, can I exit the slide and move to MT4? Somebody said he's not able to get D40 on the chat. Okay.
So what do you do? You just switch.
Yes, I want to go to MT4. No, this one. So you.
Yes, so if it's open, just to just share. This is this?
Yeah, anyone. It's the one.
No, this one. So immediately you switch this. That's what you can see.
Okay.
So I can minimize this. So we are named to finish. So when you want to switch back, you come here. Do this. Okay.
Now, for those people,
so they can see.
Sorry. So all of us at home, you can see my screen as soon as we change to MT4. And now I want to. You can already see that I have my personal trade on. If you're looking at my screen now, you see that I have my personal trade on MT4. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go in your presence to Market Watch. This is Market Watch. Now, to get Market Watch, you can do Control M on your laptop. If you're using laptop, go to Control M, and of course, you can right click like so. You can see my screen, and then you go ahead and do show all. Show all. So when you do show all, you can now go ahead and click on this button, create a new chart, and then you go to indices, and then you select DAX 40, that's D40. You should see it there. Now D30 will still be there, but the truth is this, you will not be able to place trade on D30 anymore because we have moved to D40. Now we move to D40, all of us know the reason why. The reason is because the meta quote, not meta quote now, the German economy or German index, D30, as we used to know it, added 10 more instruments to that particular index. And because of that, instead of us having 30 before, we now have 40. That's why the name changed from D30 to D40. So you may be able to place more trade on D30, but you should be able to place it on D40. So we'll do that. No. Now that we have moved to that level, we can now go ahead and place a sell on that instrument. Now you can already see that I have indicator on this screen. I have my indicator on this screen. I don't know. Is it okay? I think the one at home is one changing. Is that not? So it's not. Okay. No, don't worry. Let me just go back. Since we are not going back, we are not going to trading yet. We're actually doing we are still running the slides. Okay, so let me just click to share the slide already. So I'm back here. Oh. All right. So let me go ahead and pick the slide. Right. Which one of this one will I pick now? Come on out. Last one here.
For yourself, okay?
This slide.
And I want to minimize this one.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll revision. Now, let's move on to the next part. Welcome, sir. You're welcome. What about your laptop, your phone? Have you placed the trade already?
No.
We have started the class. We have placed a straight sell on D30 because there's a signal on the strategy we are running right now that says we should sell D30. Oh, sorry, D40. D40, yes. Have you placed a straight sell? Mine is currently on 3,000 profits on 0.01, which means that because I'm trading with 500K anyway, which means that if I've been trading with like 3 million and I place one standard loss, that's about 300,000 profits, right? For now, Abby. So 300,000 profit today alone. Christmas is done, Abby. Like how many chicken can that one buy? That should be able to buy like 10 chickens. More than that, because of course, you know, Nigeria is now somehow. So I think a price of chicken now is about the last I priced was 17,000.
Chicken.
Yes.
Chicken.
No, as in chicken to buy chicken for Christmas. The last I priced it was 17K. So I asked the guy to just bring two for me, only for Christmas Day. Okay, so 17 times 2 is 34K. Is that not? So if I'm having 300,000 profit now, I should be able to take care of that. Is that not? Now let's move on. Now this is how the strategy look like on the screen. Now for those people that don't know how to draw Fibonacci, this is going to be an issue. If you know you are not familiar with Fibonacci, you cannot run this strategy. Okay, but if you're familiar with how to draw it, you are good to go. But what you need to look at is look at the chart. Anytime you have something close to what you have on the screen now, you have a leg that is very long from X to A. That means it's an uptrend. Price has been moving up. Then suddenly you have a downfall, then you have a C. Now the C level should not be as high as A level. That's the first condition. The B level should not be as low as X level. That's second condition. Third condition is that you also have a D level, but this D level is now lower than B, but still lower than, but still not as low as X. It's very, very, all these things I'm showing you is very important. Then one of the most important things on that particular part is that A to B should be almost equal to C to D. Very important. If you can get those three right, then you can go well with this particular strategy. If you don't have it, it means the strategy is not complete. Now, I will also quickly tell you now that this strategy is very, very difficult to come by on the charts. It's not common, it's not cheap. What I mean by it's not cheap is that it's not something you can see every day. Hope you know that good things don't come out every day. In life, even in our real life situation, good things don't come out every day. I mean, when last did you hear about good things in Nigeria? Hello? So even in America, good things don't happen every day, but then good things still happen, and we are praying that it's going to be every day as we move on. Okay, so people are trying to actually, people at home, people here in the office are trying to take a picture of the screen, capture the screen. So don't worry. And if you can also capture it at home, I'm moving away from the screen so they can capture it if you can. But if you can write down, okay, you can do that. Then this is also live stream, like I said, on YouTube. It means that you have the ability to watch it again and again in the future. Now, let's move on to the next part. Okay, so the AB leg then sees the price change direction. Okay. And of course, that's to C. Okay. Now, and of course, in the purest form, this particular pattern should make about 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at around B. In its purest form, if you plot Fibonacci from this level X to this level A, you know, when you plot Fibonacci from here to here will be 0. This top part will be 0 of your fib. This low part will be 100 of your fib. So between 0 and 100, you have levels. Level 23.2 and so on, level 61.8, level 17 and all that. So in its purest form, this level where the price turn back should be around 61.8 Fibonacci level. If it is so, and the price come back to this level, and you can see it, that the price instead of continue to go on and break this level, it's now coming back. It's now like it's printing now, it's now coming back to this low, and it's already going lower than the 61.8. Hallelujah. It means that that strategy is most likely going to fall. And in its purest form also, this level D will be around 78.6%. if it is now so, and when this thing now print this red at this 78.6, you now see suddenly, you now see a bullish candle, whether big or small. Cocoa is so. Oh, that's so. That means it's already formed correct. So, like I said, it doesn't come every day, is that not? Yeah. It doesn't form every day, but if it dare form like that, you can use big lot size on your account. You can use big lot size and hit it big one time, collect big money and pull out. Okay, so yeah, if you fails, you have a stop loss. Okay, that's a very good question. If you place a buy at this level, and instead of the price going to go up, it now begin to go down, your stop loss should be below X. Below the X. That's it. We are getting to that stop loss part as we move on. Okay? Yes.
Sorry, I will bring it back.
Oh, yeah.
The
yes.
How do you sell it?
The sell. How do you place a sell trade? You don't know how to place sell trade?
The information I have, I can't see this one.
What's the information you have?
I have US
That's not information. Is that information? Have you ever traded before? Have you placed trade before in your trading career?
Yes.
Have you made money before?
Yes.
Have you withdrawn before? Hey, you should be able to place D40 trade now.
Maybe.
But help me to give it to a guy. Help me to help this ministry to be able to place that trade and make money. Okay. So people at home, let me get your reaction. I can see some comments. You have made money. 1,000. Did you close it?
$1,000.
You close the profit. You close. Oh, you put CP small. Somebody's already giving testimony that he has made money. Okay, please, I don't get it. When I go indices, I've not seen it. Okay, I'm trying to DAX 40 or D40, the same as German 40. The answer is yes. Bankole from home or from online is asking, is DAX 40 or D40 the same as German 40? My brother, the answer is yes. Okay. Now, some people already said they have placed sell and they have made money. Okay. Okay. Good luck. He is still on loss. So how come people are making money? Good luck. Say he's making loss. Good luck. He must not be from Jonathan Town. Because if you are good luck and truly good luck, you should be making money by now. Anyways, so let's continue. Now let's look at a pure bullish pattern. The BC leg, that's this BC leg. The price change direction again and move back up. This is anything from 13.2 to 18.6, but that's extension. So this 18.6 you are looking at is actually extension. But since drawing Fibonacci extension can be an issue to anybody that is not familiar with film, I think you should just stick to the retracement path. There are two kinds of drawing you can use for Fibonacci. You can use the extension and you can use the retracement. Extension is a little bit difficult. It's for advanced studies or advanced traders. So you should be able to use the retracement level. We'll get to the practical part where we can do that also. Okay. Now, that means by the time this particular retracement move up, it shouldn't pass 38.2. That's what I'm looking at here. If you move up, you already draw Fibonacci from this X to A. 0 is on top, 100 is below. So we are now saying that ideally this one should be around 61, and if this price continues to move up, it should move to around 38.2 and stop. If you get to 38.2 and stop and continue to move down, it means that is actually forming. Okay, and then of course, by the time it moves down, it shouldn't cross below 78.6. Yeah. Okay, so let me go to the next one. Go to the next one. So let's look at the CD leg. The CD leg is the final leg, and of course, the most important part of the pattern. As with the A, B equals CD pattern, you are looking for an AB is equal to CD to complete the pattern, looking to enter at point D. like I said, I'm rephrasing this one. AB should be almost equal to CD. But I'm not saying that's a compulsory course. Sometimes it can be a little bit trickish. It may not be equal, okay, but it should be close to what we're looking for. And the difference when trading the Gartley pattern is that you look to place your trade entry order at the point where the CD leg has achieved a 17.6 retracement of XA leg. That's the final part. So this particular last one is as important in strategy as the first one. So by the time you draw from 100 to 0, that draw from this level to this level, this should be 0, it should be 100. So coming back, it should be around 17 point something. So if you form a bullish candle there, you can place a buy. But I actually like it when you put a pending order on that level. Because sometimes when maybe you are with your laptop or you're not with your laptop and you are going somewhere and the thing is still around this place, it's still forming this level. It has already formed this level, and form almost equal level. So what you can do is it's still forming this red. This red is still far from this level. So you can put a pending order around this zone to wait for the price. And then by the time it gets there, it can pick you up and give you money as price goes up. Okay?
Is this being traded on market or
any market? But then you should see this pattern before you actually draw your field. Now, the first thing you want to do, somebody is asking, people are told, somebody is asking if this is done on a ranging market or a trading market. It could be anyone. But the first thing you want to do is that whether the market is in a range or trend, there's always a long leg. Even in the range market, that long leg is what you look for, whether it is bearish or bullish. If it is bearish long leg, it means you drop your Fibonacci from top to bottom. If it is bullish long leg, it means you drop from bottom to top. Then you can now begin to look at the points where the price should come to before you can say, oh, this is a strategy that is for me. Now, let's move on to this part. Now, before you try and trade the pattern, make sure that the following are true. The AB is equal to CD, 70% Fibonacci retracement for the leg XA, and 127% or 1.8% extension of leg BC. That's if you're looking for extension. Now, how to trade it? Okay, we'll now look at how to trade this. Now, entry, identify where the pattern will complete at point D, like I said before. Then you can place a buy order at that level or a penny order. I already mentioned this one. Now, this is an example for GU. Okay, an example for GBP All right, so when you form like that, when you place maybe a penny order at this level, you can switch it back. Now, there's a particular strategy we talked before, and we said that anytime you see a long leg like this, draw a Fibonacci and wait at 61.20. That's the golden ratio level. This one gives money because if you put a penny order at this level for a buy, this move is a lot of money. Is that not? Yes. You don't need to wait until the thing gets to this level. But we're not saying that the second opportunity is coming now with this strategy. That you don't need to put penny order here. You can come and put it here at 17 point something. And by the time the price picks you up, you should be able to submit you at a higher level. So this one presents a better opportunity in terms of risk reward than this one. Because if you buy here and the price did not go up and you go and hit your stop loss, you will lose more than somebody that bought here. Is that not? Because this one, if you buy here, you lose small. But if you buy here, you lose bigger. So this one is actually better than the golden ratio strategy that we learned before. See? Yeah, you can do that. This is aggressive. This is 1.8. It's a lot of it gives a lot of money if you know how to use it very well. This 1.8 level is also a very good level to buy, but sometimes it fails. So this one should be a better option. Or if you buy at this level, you can mitigate to this level. It means that if you buy here and the price instead of going up, it don't go up. Maybe you buy here, you go and put your stop loss, you go and put your take profit here. But the price gets to this place. The stop loss is not hit. So you now back to this level, it's now on a loss at this level. You can buy again. That's the mitigation strategy. And of course, it can give you better results. Yes, question.
Specialize on only currency. There's a reason I'm asking.
Which of the strategy? This one?
This one.
It's not only currency.
No.
The thing we're running now is DAX, is that not? Yeah. You work on anything.
Because when I'm a fan of US 100.
You can use it on US 100.
When you put US 100 for a while now, see that I've been pushing up for a very long time. Because so now, in such case, sometimes in 1 week, you may not even have any impulse. Any correction that can align with this
with
pattern.
this. Yes.
So in such case, or in such instrument that just going the wrong way for a very long time, how
It means that this one will not work on that strategy. It means that this strategy will not work on that instrument. This strategy needs impulse. Okay, what I'm saying is that US 100 is just doing something like this, not?
just and
Something like this. It's not coming back.
It's not coming back.
So this strategy says it must come back. It means that this strategy will not work on US. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
It will work on US 100. But if you look at the D1 of D30, that's daily chart, it's actually giving something close to what we have now, right? Let me show you that. Let me see if I can show that. Let me click on share this screen. Okay, then I can. I don't know if how do we switch this camera to show? I want to show what I'm seeing on this screen now. This MT4. I want to show it here also. Okay, so viewers at home, so that you can see, I know you already have my MT4, but I also want people in the class to also see it.
So duplicate.
This.
That's it. So say the same thing. I think that's the same thing.
Okay, so let's look at it. The question is asking is, how do we do it? US 100 are just going one direction. Will this strategy work on it? The answer is no. Is that not? Because, like I said, it doesn't come every day, but then it comes. So if you look at this D30 now, this H4, so if you look at D1, it's actually already giving us a signal. You can see me at home. You already see that I have what? Well, unfortunately, I have my camera, this thing blocking me. Can you see it? Can you see any information on the screen?
Yes.
What is it writing? What is this one?
Bearish
Gartley. So this indicator now, it was present yesterday in the office that I bought this indicator online. This indicator was purchased full license online for $50. Yes, sir. $50. But you can see even your US 100 is behaving like this, not? It's just behaving exactly like it's just moving in one direction. But this strategy, if it's going to give a signal to tell you that there's something coming up. So this is the reason why I said you should sell. Are you see now? When I say you should sell D30, this is the reason why. Because the strategy already told me that there is something coming up, that this price is most likely going to turn from this level. Is it clear now, everybody?
Yes.
Viewers at home, I hope you can see me though. No, I'm not seeing you now. Okay, I think I can see myself also. All right. Okay, let me move this camera to this side so that people can see it. All right, so that's for this one. So when I said you should sell, this is what I saw. Okay, so based on this information, and you know that nothing lasts forever. I hope you know.
Yes.
Even on the US 100, let's even look at that US 100. US 100, US 100, US 100. US 100. I'm actually looking for US 100. So that I can also check if this strategy can tell us something around US 100. What is this one? Okay, this should be US 100. View chart. So we can go ahead and click here and load the strategy. Gartley. You have made another money. You are very fast. Another 3,000. So in this class, you have made 4,000. You will soon buy chicken. The man will soon buy chicken. All of you just stay there. The man is capturing money very fast. So based on what we have here, let's look at D1 now. D1. D1. Okay, so it's also writing the same thing. Can you see it?
Okay.
It's also writing the same thing, that there's a bearish Gartley playing right now. Okay. But you can see that this indicator is complex, is that not? It's complex. It's very complex. Even me, I don't understand it. But I need money. You understand? I'm looking for money. I don't want, okay, in life, no understand everything. Just understand money. Are you getting it now?
Greediness.
It's not greediness.
You don't know what is greediness.
It's not greediness, it's money. Have you, okay?
Yeah.
You don't need to understand the indicator. Is he giving money? Will he give signal? If the answer is yes, buy, pay, and buy it. If he was there yesterday, he was there. Okay, I'm buying this. He said, I should buy it. Go ahead and buy it. Who will give me the money? Say, who concern anybody? You are making money. So the money is very soon now. I will collect the money I used to buy it. I already paid money. Okay. So that's how the indicator looks like. Okay. What we're going to do is this. For the number of people that are participating, whether you are online, let me just give you the gist. Whether you are at home or you are in Lagos here, ensure that your account is up to 600,000, and then I'll give you the indicator for free. Otherwise, you have to pay and buy it. You pay 50-something thousand to buy it. To buy this indicator. That's what I paid yesterday now.
Was he working?
He's working. Okay, you not seeing signal? Are you not seeing money? What else do you want? Or even this man has made 4,000. No.
But this one, it works only on laptop.
Yes, of course. It doesn't work on phone. So if you are at home, someone is asking, does it work on laptop? The answer is yes. Does it work on phone? The answer is no. So you need a laptop to be able to use it. So if you need it, please, the comment section, I'll be reading it. No, sir, it's not clear. A question? Okay, so Mayowa, please, where is Mayowa? You should just come around to answer some of these questions, because as I'm teaching, I'm not actually looking at that comment section. People at home, please, I apologize. I may not be able to answer all questions online. Say, when shall we close the trade? Somebody saying, when shall we close the trade? Okay, you can close it anytime you want. Please read the rules again. What time frame is what else protect clearly? Now, wow, too many questions here. Don't get the recording. Is it live stream on YouTube? Can they watch again later? And so the answer is you can get this strategy online on YouTube later if you want. So Mayowa, maybe you should log in and help me to answer questions. Okay, so bring your laptop, join me, and then all questions just answer. Somebody's asking, what time frame can this strategy best use? Three time frames: H1, H4, D1. H1, D1. So if your account is not up to 600,000, you cannot get it for free. Okay. Somebody says, how do we get this indicator to have up to 600,000? And if you know your account is more than 600K, just message your account manager right now that there's a class going on and you want that indicator, it will be sent to you very fast. So those of us that is using what? I managed to make few cents. Somebody say he managed to make few cents. He is even thanking me for a few cents. I like this person. When somebody is thanking you for small thing, the person will get what? Big thing. So don't worry. What's his name now? Emmanuel Olawale, you will make big sense. Amen. I'll send the indicator. Of course, you can get it. It's actually 50. Sheon, please help me convert at 1,002. I used USDT yesterday. At 1,220 for $1. How much is $50? That's about 50 what? 1,000. That's 60 something.
1,000.
61,000. So, Oga, 61,000. Will you buy? No, there's no mercy for the weak. There's no mercy for the weak. Okay, so somebody says it's made like almost $30. That's good. Okay, that's good. I need people to make more money. And some people, they say their own is on loss. Who are those people that have loss? I don't understand how you are getting loss. When people are already making money to buy chicken, some people are making loss. Where is the loss coming from? Okay. So, all right. So even if you are running on a loss, leave it. The trade should return to profit, right? Let's go back to the strategy very fast so that we can conclude it and learn how to draw Fibonacci. Very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. share this screen. This one. Okay. Of course. All right. Okay. So now let's go to the setup. First of all, identify a bullish or bearish market. The first thing you want to do is to check whether the market you're looking at is bullish or bearish. It's very important. If Euro USD is going up, oh, you say it's a bullish market, is that not?
Yes.
All right. If and it's going down, it's a bullish market. Now, label the series of 4 peaks and 4 troughs. So that means you have to label those levels. It's very important to label them. Now, point B should be 61.8. So we're going to draw this one. We're going to put this on in practical. These steps. How to get it? You have to put it in practical form so that all of us, especially in this physical class, and then people online can just watch as we do it. Okay. Now that's that part. So after that one, we now go to this one. That's when you finish drawing it, this is how it should come out. If it's actually a bullish market, of course, if it is bearish, it should come out like this. Then as read the Gartley, first of all, market entry. One of the best things about this strategy formation is that it offers the traders flexibility regarding market entry. Very important. The pattern also offers both buying and selling opportunities. Now, generally, traders choose to buy or sell when they see the leg as a trace that. I think we have mentioned it. Stop loss. Very, very important. Stop loss. Your stop loss for a bullish entry should be placed beneath the ZA leg. Okay? The ZA leg. Look at that ZA leg very well, very well. If it is for sale, like this is sell entry now, your stop loss should be above the Z point. It's very important too. But if it is for buy, your stop loss should be below what? The Z point. Don't forget that. So for both the buy and sell, the opportunity is there for you to actually, get it. Please, are you answering the questions? So all questions is being answered by Mayowa online. Now, profit target. Locating the profit target with the strategy is subjective. That means even if you are using this, for example, this sell entry, if you sell from here, from say this level, okay, your profit is subjective. Some people are looking for 5,000 per day, is that not? But some people are looking for like 17,000 per day. So it depends on what you're looking for. So you can put your take profit there. But of course, if you're also selling, you can put your take profits around or this point A. Okay, so that when because it's a support zone, okay, you can put your take profit there at the support zone. All right, now let's go to another thing now. Practical example, we're going to do this one as we move on, but I need to go back to this page, this particular part, the pros and cons part. Now, pros, this indicator, all indicators and technical tools have a list of disadvantages and advantages. Below are a few important ones. Sometimes indicators can actually give you a lot of false information. Okay. May be traded in all markets, of course, that's the pros. Okay. Often produce buy-sell signals with exceedingly positive risk-reward ratio. That means if you are trading, you are sure of your stop loss zone. As you plot it, that's where your stop loss is, so you can actually take it. Now, cons can be challenging to identify. I already said it. Is that not? It can be very difficult to identify. If you are not the Fibonacci person, you will not be able to see it. But lucky for you, indicator that can actually show you that. Now, losses efficacy is in consolidating markets is very, very high. You ask that question, is that not? What happened in the consolidation market can be very tricky. It's better you don't use it in the consolidation market. So just avoid that pitfall so that you're not going to be losing your money. Now, in many cases, the Gartley produces conflicting signals, and that's true. Especially when the market is about leaving that comfort zone. Market has been doing up and down in a zone. The market is looking to buy, is looking to sell, but eventually it will break out somewhere. You will not think that you want to go down before you know it to change direction to the upside. It can be very, very trickish. Okay. Now, key takeaways. The pattern is a harmonic pattern. Okay, of course, suggest a continuation for a prevailing bullish and bearish trend. Okay, let's skip that particular part. Market entry points are subjective. Okay, and of course, profit targets are also subjective. Now, to help some of us who may not be able to draw the Fibonacci, which we are going to now, I have an indicator software you can use. That's the one you just saw on the board. And of course, this is a link to it. So, but I'm going to go back to this part. I want to hold on before I show you that link. Okay. Let's quickly learn how to draw it by ourselves. Then we'll now go back to the link and be using the indicator to show us, because it's good to also be using software, but then it's also good to know how to do what? How to draw it. So let's go to drawing the Fibonacci. I'm going to escape this and go back to share screen. Go back to my MT4. Okay, now that we can see it. Now, I hope that all those people online, I hope that their trade is in profit now. Please, if your trade is in profit, message my to confirm that your trade is so that we can see it. Somebody is asking. Is somebody asking if there's robots for it? The answer is no. We don't have robots for it. Okay, you can use can you get to work on phone? No. So all those people that said they place a trade online, I read it that they said that their trade was in loss. Is it in profit now? They are not answering. Are they answering? They should answer so that we know. Maybe they enter late. Maybe they enter. Okay, have you made another money now? How much now? Everything now, 5,000. Maybe I told you this man will soon buy chicken. In this class, he must buy chicken. Yeah. Okay? Yes. Yes, of course. I didn't say it's not available. I said this one you cannot use on phone. Okay. This particular one is not used on phone. Okay? There are indicators that you can use on phone. Plenty of them. Plenty of them. Like this one now, you can use it on phone. This one you can use it on phone. This one you're looking at now. This one you can use on phone. You can use it on phone. Very, very excellent strategy. If you know how to use it, you can rake in a lot of money. You can use it on phone. So plenty of them you can use on phone. Even the breakouts. Okay, this one. I even have arrow. You can use it on phone. Now for this one now, you can use it on phone. Now for you, somebody like you, that love trading US 100. I already told you that you should be buying it, is that not? You should by now you should be building your house. This man is a dangerous man with US 100. The US 100 has been going up and the man has been making money. Okay, not just US 100 or even DAX, is that not? Those are very good instruments that you can actually. Okay. This one is EMA strategy. This indicator actually have a software that you can also use to run your trade.
This compatible with phone.
Yes, even though it will not draw those arrows on phone. If you understand the strategy, you can use on phone. This strategy that you see now can generate, if you know how to use it, you can use it to generate thousands of dollars. I'm telling you. But best use on M15. Best use on M15 on US 100. Not US 100, US 30, D30. Those three. If you use it on 15 minutes, you can make a lot of money. This is the strategy. For example, now, if you are buying only, you know that you like buying. See opportunities here. Buy. I see. Buy. This is about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you enter 4 standard lot now, and the price move from here to this place, by then you should buy new leg dots. But you show arrow code. You not show arrow.
But the line will show on phone.
The line will show on phone. It will not show arrow on phone. But if you understand why the arrow is showing, you can make money on it. Are you getting it now? Because the arrow has meaning. Before the arrow will show, there's a condition. Anytime it shows, anytime. Look at what I'm trying to say. Let me zoom in. Yes. You don't need to be on watch. Let me show you the strategy. The strategy is simple. This line that you see as number. A green candle is printed and they cross the line. Is that not? The other green candle is printed above and close above the line. It's a signal
To buy.
to buy. It's as simple as that. But if a green candle cross the line like this one, and the red can follow it, it's a bad signal. You cannot buy. Now. So if you are not using it on food, it's pretty straightforward.
But can we use this on
Anything you want to mention, sir.
currency?
Oh yeah, your currency, your import of you, gold.
Sorry, is this the same condition of bank?
Yes, that's what the arrow is showing.
It's something here.
Yes, the arrow is only to help laptop users
Okay.
to know that the condition is fulfilled. For phone users, because it's your phone, you carry your phone every day. Those you need to look out for it, the signal. You look out for it. And this one even have alert.
On phone.
The on laptop.
Okay.
You can have it if you pay money to have it. Have it.
Money.
Everything is money. This same class we are doing now is for Gartley, is that not? We have done class for this one before. We also offer it. That if you move your account from any amount, maybe all this 100,000, move it to 600, we'll give you the indicator for free. But that was that time. You were not aware. But now you are aware. Now that we are doing Gartley now. So Gartley, even if I'm going to give you indicator for free today, if your account is up to 600,000, I'll give you that Gartley for free. I will not give you for free this one. This one that time, how much did you buy this indicator that time? This one is cheaper than the Gartley. It's not that expensive. I can't remember. 2,000 naira. Okay, maybe dollar. Laptop. Yes, that's a lot on laptop. Now let's move on.
So what's this?
This EMA trend strategy now is common. EMA trend strategy. Look at it. EMA trend strategy.
Yeah.
I know of one man that is using now details. Automated. And just you can see his account very clean account.
No stain.
No stain.
What is
It's a
it?
clean account.
Stain is when there's red.
Yes, now when there's red, there's stain. No stain. Very clean account. All the day he took, the man called me, which they say he loved it. That it's not about the profit, but consistency in what he's doing. Consistency in what he's doing. Look at it. The man said he logged it to me. I just checked. Say, wow, I love it. Look at this. Look at the man's account. Very clean. Can you see accounts? Very clean. Can you see? No bullshit. Nothing like bullshit. Only profit. Positive vibes. Positive vibes. Nothing like so you can get for this, you can go for this one also, but that's aside. Let's go back to Gartley and continue the strategy. Now, sorry, people, online people, is my people in class that is giving me problem. They have been asking me question for question. Which of the indicator?
This one.
I can't remember what condition we give that time. Let's continue with Gartley. Okay, you like this one? This one is simple, Abby.
Very simple.
I know. Maiwa, what are they asking now? And get it. You get the Gartley. You get the Gartley for free. Manager that he is requesting formally for this strategy, then we send it across to him. Okay, so just get his email, copy it somewhere, and then we can mail it to him. You just install it and start running it. Okay. Okay, so somebody saying can really recommend a pro farm. We don't do that. I cannot recommend a pro farm for you. Only you can recommend it for yourself, because I don't do that. Now let me go back to what we were doing before. Go back to this account. Log into trade account. This one. Now, Now. Let's go back to now. This Gartley strategy can only be used on what? Can only be used on what?
Laptop.
Can only be used on laptop. Plus, it cannot be used on M15. It cannot be used on M30. It can only be used on H1, H4, and D1. Those are the time frames recommended for it. H1, H4, D1. That you cannot use it. You cannot use it. Yes, scalpers can use that one. Okay. We go back to this part. And this for US 100, is that not? It means we can also sell US 100 now. If you like, you can also enter that one if you like. Okay, we are looking to make money even selling that one also. Yeah, you can sell it. Go ahead and sell it. It's also a good, it also gives us a good opportunity to sell. Okay. Just like I love buying it too much. Now let's try and look for something to use this strategy on. Let's go to gold. All of us should try and open a gold chart. Gold chart. I'm going to open gold chart. Under precious metal, I'll open gold. Then I will, first of all, pick the candlestick template like so. I will adjust my chart to view. Now, this is more like okay, this chart now is not ranging, it's ranging, is that not? The chart is ranging right now. Okay, so can we identify a bearish leg? We should be able to do that. Let's check. That is long. Gold is not buying. This gold will go down. Oh. Gold is not going to go up in a hurry now. There's potential for gold to go down than go up. That means gold has tendency to go down than go up. Yes. So let's say we identify this leg like so. That's a bearish leg. So we now check based on what we have now. The price has done 78%. Is that not? Can you see it, everybody? Yes. See it? This 78% of the first leg. The first leg is the one that has this red dotted line up to this level. Then the first turning point is this zone. Is that not? Does it correspond to 61.8? Almost. This is 1.8. Okay, so and of course the price has gone back to 78. So I think it's a good way. It's a good way to tell us that the price wants to go down. That's if you are drawing Fibonacci. But if you're not drawing Fibonacci and you're now choosing to use Gartley, that's the strategy we have already. Let me open another gold to check if it corresponds. Gold chart. We'll now go ahead and pick Gartley. Now, I'll prefer for you, all of you, to be using Gartley instead of using your hand to draw Fibonacci. It's very stressful drawing it, I'm telling you. So let's look for D1 and check what it's saying. It's not saying much. It's not saying much. But on this D1, something is actually brewing up. This is H4. Looking at this H4, if we take this as a long leg, this is a long leg, have it? These are the first shots. Another long. This one has really has done something, has done much. But I think everything here is still pointing to sell. Is that not?
Yes.
Everything on this particular screen is still pointing to a sell trade. That most likely the price will still go down for this one. Most likely. Okay, that's for gold though. Price will still most likely go down. But if we sell this gold now, if we sell it, the risk is very high. Do you agree? If we sell now, the price choose to go up. Can you see where the stop loss will be? It's very high. So I think we should just ignore it. For this strategy, we shouldn't use it for Gartley. Because Gartley recommends a stop loss at above point Z, is that not? Or point X. So we cannot place a sell except we want to use a short stop loss. Okay, so for this one, we cannot use Gartley. But maybe we can check another strategy for this one, is that not? Let's check if some other strategy can give us an idea, give us like a reinforcement to what we can do. This one is telling us that it's time for us to buy it. That's the EMA trend. But then, like I said, it's actually best used on 15 minutes. So let's check M15. Okay, the 15 minutes is telling us to do what? Sell, is that not? Yeah. Okay, so now we know that this one has potential to go down. Now let's check another strategy very fast, 1 hour, and check with Bollinger Band. Check with mean reversion. The mean reversion strategy is saying nothing because there's a range right now. The price is ranging, but I know that explosion will come soon. The price is going to go explosion. So what we can do is to, instead of us selling now, let's wait. Let us wait for this price to push back up. Hope you can see me at home. Let's wait for this price to push back up and meet this Bollinger Band on top. If it does that, we can place a sell. We are most likely to make money at that level because we shouldn't buy this one in a hurry. Gold have potential to do what? Good. I've seen it. Gold is actually going down. Okay, if you look at to support my own thinking on gold, if you look at this one and you go to D1, you already see at a glance that this price on mean reversion strategy is very clear. Can you see? Mean reversion strategy is saying what? That price should go down. Is that not? So you don't want to, this strategy, I see it. This thing I see, you can use on phone. But if this is a sell, don't even go around. Don't cross
waste time. Don't waste time.
Don't argue it. Okay. You will not sell. But don't go and buy. Is that what? Oh, for you?
Yeah.
How much? I mean, say the young place. How much? 2,000 naira. That's right. Anytime this man comes to my class, he must make money.
I know it's mine.
How much is the whole profit now? Total.
8,000.
8,000. Very strange. You know, I've been saying this thing. People are told, hope you are sharing testimony. Please give me comment that your trade has entered profit. All those people that say it has not entered profit. Somebody say it doesn't have manager. I don't understand. How come you don't have manager? Okay. What about we that our account manager don't pick call? So, Mr. Endurance Gariba. Endurance, please send me your email. Please collect that man's email. The man that said his account manager does not pick call. I want to know who the account manager is. I'm saying in his case. He said the account manager has not picked call for 3 weeks. Wow. Even your own too. Who is your own? What's the name of the person? Woman. She does not pick your call. Yeah.
Most of them prefer message.
That's response. Text message is response. But then she also pick your call. Oh yeah, please help me collect his email also too. So I have a case with that manager. The manager has a case to answer. Okay. Endurance, please send me your email. I want to know who your manager is. I don't know before.
Okay, something urgent can come up that you need to talk to.
Yes,
You don't answer my call. Don't say anything.
Most of them, they don't pick calls.
Okay.
I don't even call them.
Just message. Oh, yeah, is your manager?
No, Chisom.
Chisom is your manager.
Yes.
Chisom is your manager. I will look into her case.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, she'll be picking your call now. Okay. Somebody, Mr. Godfrey say he does not. So, Mr. Godfrey, doesn't mean that your account manager has never called you in this lifetime. Please let me collect his email also. What it means is that his manager has never called him. Godfrey. Oh, wow. I'm hearing new things.
I don't know.
This has been happening for long.
Yeah. It's like an opportunity.
It's an open door for him to have access and I can't buy it.
Yeah.
Okay, since this class is recorded, I will ask all of the account managers to watch this so that they can know that they're actually not doing well. Okay, but don't worry, I'll talk to them. But they'll pick you up. You can see somebody saying my account manager always call me. Can you see? Modesta. All right. Okay. Somebody says this is highest profit today. Ayodele Ajasa, Abiasa, how much have you made? Somebody says he has made the highest profit today. Ayodele, how much did you make? You are online. $9. Wow. $9 is 9,000. No? Please place withdrawal immediately and go and buy ticket.
10,000 plus.
Ayodele, please place withdrawal. Please, I don't understand. This person says his money has moved to profit.
Is that plus what? Plus. That is 6,000.
Profit is profit now. Profit is profit. Whether it is 1 error, it is. So what I'm going to do is to share the indicator. Is that not? Yes. To share the indicator so that everybody have it. But not everybody will have it. It's people that upgrade their account because we check. If you don't meet criteria, we will not give you. If you now want it, you can come and buy it. 61,000.
61,000.
Just 61,000. It's not much. Is it much? It's not much. It's not much. Okay. So let's check it. Let's check which other one we can use it on. Let's check Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro pound. This is Euro pound. Let's check it on Euro pound and see if it is okay for us to use on Euro pound. Okay. This is it. Normally, it's supposed to give you, if there's an information to tell you, if it is bullish, to tell you. But if it doesn't tell you, you can also watch carefully. Now, you can see that this is a long leg. Is that not? Can you see everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is a long leg. Can you see the long leg? So what we need to do now is to draw Fibonacci from here to there to check whether this turning point is 61. If it is so, then we'll now go and wait at where? At 78 for itself. Are you getting it now? You can use this one. Yeah, all of us go to Euro pound so that I can put a penny order on it. Euro pound. We check from top to low. Okay, so this one retraces at 50. So we are expecting it to retrace where? 51. So it's not up to that. So if it continues to push up and it gets to this 61 and it go down, are you getting it now? They'll be waiting for the price to move back to where? 78. The going down should not be more than 38.2. So if this price now move up to 61, are you getting it now? And then the thing push back down to 38 and it's now going up, you now go and wait here for a sell limit. That's all. You hammer bid. You can use big lot at that level. At 70. Yes. So we are waiting for this. Since it's currently printing green, it's fine. Let it print this green up to this 61. If you get to this 61 and it's tired and it's not going down, if you begin to print red up to 38, it's not printing green again up to 78. Aha. We now hammer it big at that level and collect a lot of money. Hammer it big and collect big money. Right? That's on D1. Now let's look at H4. On H4, I think we already have a signal. I think so. On H4. On H4, the market is doing high. On H4, this market is doing higher high. Higher high. This is not good. Higher high. That's not good. Let's check this fib. Not even this level is not up to 61.8. So let's check in with H1. On H1, what do we have? If we draw from this level to this, the retracement was at 61.8. But the thing did not return to 78. The retracement at this level turned back at around 61.8. But instead of this retracement going back to 13.2, to this descent should have been back to 78 here. Actually, they would have said a continuation pattern. So this one is already giving us what we want. I think we should just stick to D1 for this one and wait. Because the one is not giving us any information. H4 is not giving us any information. It's just wait on D1 to give us what we want. So for this one, we wait. But the two that is very clear now that we have seen so far is the US 100 and D30, Abi. Okay. So let's continue to check some other instruments to see if opportunities are there. You don't need to wait for only US 100 and D30 or D40, as the case may be. You can also check maybe FRA 40. FRA 40 D1. FRA 40 D1. This one has not written anything for us. But I know that all of them are the same family. All these people, all these things. Now you see in this life, nothing lasts forever. Nothing. If the price is going up, one day to do what? Go down. So this one now is just a question of time. One day it will collapse. And the signal is already there. You can already see doji. Can you see it? What is this one? It's doji.
Yeah.
What kind of doji is this one? Short. What does short mean? When short appear at the top of the trend, what does it mean? There's a meaning to it. It's a reversal pattern, but what kind of reversal pattern is that? Is it aggressive or something? There are reversal patterns. There are some of them that are very aggressive. There are some of them that are very simple. When I say subtle, it means that the reversal, you can see. Let me give you an example. When the price was going down, is that not? Then it reverses. What kind of reversal is this? Is it not aggressive? It's an aggressive reversal. Meanwhile, when it was going small. Like somebody that cannot move fast. It's just small. But when it comes to this level, it did aggressive reversal. So now this candle appears on top and it's a short. Like short now. Can you see this shape? Maybe I should zoom in so that people at home can see it. That's the shape of a sword, right? Now, if sword appears at the top of the trend, what does it mean? Sword. When price has been going up and then there's a sword on top. Sword is for buyers. Hope you know. Okay. Sword is buyers too. Sword is buyers too. It's not sellers too. It's actually buyers too. Like even you, when you carry sword, what are you not going to fight? Yes. You're going to fight now, and the sword is always like this, not like this. The sword it's always head like this. So it's a buyers too. But it appears where? On top of the trend. So what does it mean? You can tell us.
Doesn't fall on this.
What it means is that at this level in time, the buyers willingly surrender to the sellers.
Willingly.
Yes, willingly. They drop the short.
It's like a story of
For you to know these things I'm showing you, these have been in training for a while. These belong to traders.
Guys, buyers are willing to
buyers willingly surrender to sellers at this level. So it's not left for the sellers if they know they are onion to take the charge, to take charge. You don't understand. Two people are fighting. Two man, they are fighting. And there's bad blows. Then one of them just say, I'm not fighting again. Just drop short. You know, it's not as if the other one has win the game. It's just saying, I'm not fighting again. So the one that is still fighting have the opportunity to cut the head off. Is that not? You already dropped your short. Can't I cut your head? So it's not left for the other one, for the other party, which is the sellers, to take this advantage and run the course. But if they waste time, buyers will continue again. Are you getting it now? So most often than not, when buyers willingly surrender like this, most often than not, sellers will take that position and run the market very fast. So as this, sellers can actually take charge. There's chance, very, very high chance for them. Yes, now buyers can still continue. Maybe they now reverse to this level, and they are not taking the case seriously. The buyers will take over again. But as this, buyers are not willing to really run the market. They are relaxed.
Towards the end of the year.
It could be. It could be. They are very cautious, Abby. It could be. It could be. So buyers are really, surrendering right now. Sellers have opportunity to take over, right? So if I were you, I would be careful of buying. Now that the buyers are not willing to continue the game for now, I'll be careful of buying. I'll be willing to take of sellers' impulse in the market. If they go with full force, they can actually trigger that, right?
Those things are already gotten to the
Highest of high, yeah. Highest of high. You need to be very careful of buying at this point in time. I like it when the market is down for indices. When the market go down, very sharply and quickly. If you enter big that time for a buy, you make a lot of money. Because buyers are always there to invest. Okay. Any other question online? Question from viewers in the class? Somebody, can you see? Redmi note says as a result, reversal is going to happen. Buyers are leaving the market. So what's your take on gold right now? Stay away. Somebody's asking. L to everyone. What's your take? My take is to go or is to stay away. Let me read more messages. Can we get this video replay? Of course. The answer is yes. It's on YouTube live. Okay, it's on our YouTube page live. All right. Just join the class. I want the indicator, of course. Somebody says he made 2,000 naira profit. Okay, 2,000 naira is more now. Do you know that 2,000 naira now, if it's 0.1, it's 3,000, have you?
Yes.
If it's 1,000 lot, how much? 200,000. What's his name now? Olari, why didn't you use 1,000 lot?
No, how much is here?
I don't know. I don't know. But what I'm happy about is that all of you made money, Abby. Yeah. That I'm waiting. I want to hear. I don't want to hear that I did not make money. You are supposed to be making money. I don't want to hear loss. You see, 400 naira is crying.
So 200 naira is still complaining.
I made loss of 200 naira. Can you imagine? Somebody made loss of 200 naira. When people are making big money to buy chicken like this man now. So any other question?
You suggested that we should not use a donation.
Yes, I said you should if you know how to use it, it's fine. But if you don't know how to use it, it's best to go for indicator. So if you know your account is up to 600K and above, please notify your account manager. Today you will get it. You get this indicator. I just made them the link and they can give, because they're the one that will check your account to be sure you are up to that level, and then they will give you. But if you are listening to us online and you want to up your account to up to 600 to get it for free, please go ahead and do that. You can message me personally or message this screen that you have made it up to 2K, or sorry, 600K, then we can give you the indicator for free. Now, if you want to buy it, maybe you are listening to from wherever you are listening from, and you are not a client of Rally Trade, why not? And you do the indicator, just message us in the academy. You just buy it, token, 61,000. You buy it from us. Yeah. Okay. All right. So as a bonus, I think I should just give you trade. Is that right? Yeah, let's do my take. Let's go to Euro USD. That's my favorite. Euro USD. Euro USD, we should be looking to do a little bit of retracement. The market is still going up. Oh. Please note that Euro USD will still continue to push up, but we can take a little bit of break and take some profit. Then the one I'm sure can give you money now, like if you must enter now, is USD card. Let's go to USD card, all of us. Card. And just enter a buy. I know that price will reverse. Yes, a buy on USD card. If you ask me to bet on something, this is one I can bet on. Let's say, oh yeah, let's bet. Me, I don't bet too. I don't bet. Don't do bet. But if you say, yeah, let's bet, I'll go for this one. Okay, so let's place a buy trade on it. I'm going to enter buy in your presence. Now, if this one give you money, please use small lot to small volume, like all this 0. All this micro lots. If he give you money and you're able to buy chicken, please remember me in your kingdom. Yes, Christmas chicken. I think one of you should be able to invite me over for Christmas if you're in Lagos. So. You'll be able to invite me over for Christmas chicken, Abi. Say okay. Oh yeah, come for Christmas chicken. I'll come. If your house is not far from my own. I'm in the mainland here. I'm around this Ikeja. So don't invite me to the island. But I think Island Road will be very free this period, Abi. Oh yeah, invite me, I'll come. Yes, now. No, as in during Christmas now. Christmas Day, road will be very free in Lagos. Oh yeah, invite me. Even if you are living in Island, I'll come from Ikeja. I'm living in this Ikeja. Halfway. Yes, question. Yes. Okay, so if you cannot upgrade your account today, and you have to upgrade it, tomorrow is Friday, Abi. Tomorrow is Thursday. If you upgrade it tomorrow, if you upgrade it next week, as long as you upgrade it, you get this indicator. So I'm opening window till end of the year for all of us. If you are listening from home, you can go ahead and just upgrade, you get it. Okay?
You said, excuse me, the other conference, you said if we upgrade our account, that you give us indicator for phone.
You don't have any indicator on your phone? Which broker are you coming from?
Rally.
Which rally? But should you have indicator on your phone? Oh yeah, give it to Mayowa. Mayowa will put indicator. You have been saying phone since that. Now I understand. You don't have any indicator on your phone. Wow. Yeah, Mayowa give him Bollinger Band and give him also the moving average breakout. You can give me the moving average breakout. Okay. So viewers at home, any questions? Any questions? Any questions? My phone number. Somebody is asking for my phone number. I don't want to be giving people my phone number again. They'll be calling me anytime. Anyhow. Okay. Oh yeah, my phone number is 090-2039-8739. Somebody is asking, how can I trade outside Nigeria? Why? You can trade outside Nigeria as long as you're a Nigerian. Olabodi, no matter where you are. Okay. Okay, so somebody is asking, what reason can I trade with less than 3,000? You cannot trade with less than 3,000, sir. Better you withdraw your 3,000 and go home. Minimum to trade 50,000. Can I trade outside Nigeria? I already answered. The answer is yes. Okay. How can you be trading with 3,000? It's too small. 1 pip can chop it. So there's no need. Just keep the money. What's your take on gold? Gold is stay. Okay. FRA 40. What do you say? Ask him Gartley. Okay. All right. So if you are doing that USD card, the maximum lot you should use should be 0.1. you are doing that USD card, you can use maximum 0.1. Okay, yeah. My own trade is already in profit. USD card. That's the one I'm sure. Now you don't ask me how I know. I know that the price will grow. Okay, for a long time. I've been on it for a while. I know that the price will rise. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing. Then this is like a fake out. Can you see it? Even without using indicator, can you see this bar? That's a fake out. That bar, you know what it did? It went and hit people's stop loss and reverse. So that this price now, you very soon now you see the price going up, just going up. So continue to enjoy the money. This is one of the best opportunities for USD card.
So this USD card, where do you take our
You don't need stop loss on it. This one, I'm very sure of it. You don't need stop loss on this one. You have seen 3 white soldiers, have you? Yeah. See now? Me, I've not even seen anything. You see? So that can do just hit people stop loss and reverse. Can you see it? This can do that. You know what it is? You just hit people stop. This is stop loss. TP, anything you want, sir. Anything you want. Anything profit you want. If you like, put 50 pips. That's $500. That's about 500,000 on the standard volume. You can manage it this Christmas. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. But if you check, let me check a strategy like that. It should be. Can you see? This should be a mere reversion. Oh, almost, but then it's close. So there is a bully. There's almost this one. This partial engulfing, but it's good enough. It's good enough. So this is a signal that price wants to truly go up, because of course you don't get everything perfect in life. So I think this is a good one. Enter a buy on USD card. Free trade. Free trade. Any money you make, you share it.
I saw an indicator on
fractals.
And I saw that it brought some arrow.
That's true. But don't use it.
Really?
Don't use fractals. It will not give you money. You have seen fractals before? Let me show you. Very useless indicator. Let me show you how fractals look like. Okay. It will not give you money. It will just be wasting your time. Fractals. Fractals. Fractal. Where is it, sir? You see it? It's other beliefs. So there's one man. His name is B. Williams. He came out at a point, he developed a lot of indicators, among them fractals. I see it? My phone number, yes. Give them my normal phone number. 09020398739. So we cannot do Macam like this. Can you see? Is that not what you mean? It's a useless strategy. He can, as he's using one mouth to say buy, he's using another mouth to say sell. It doesn't make sense. He's speaking from both sides of his mouth like this. It's coming out from his mouth like this. Buy, sell. So what he's saying,
is there no way it can be combined with some other ones to get
you can, and you don't need it. What he's saying now is that anytime you see this one on top, sell. This arrow on top means the price wants to go down. So I say sell, sell. Price has not gone down, though. You say buy. Price has not gone down, you say sell. Okay, price hold. Buy, sell, buy. It doesn't have sense. If it has sense, it should be at least one buy in a very long time. Even though it should not be, see, you cannot get 100% thing correct. Even though your signal is not correct, stick by what you know. Let us know you for what you say. Not buy, say, but you will get confused. What are you talking? So I don't like it. Don't use it though. Don't use it. But maybe if you now see around resistance, is that not what they're saying? Maybe you can use it with support and resistance. You don't need it anyway. Don't need it. You don't need it. Even this one is even better. Need the exhaustion. You see, it's even better. Self. Default. Lead exhaustion. This one is still better. This one is still better. Can you see? Buy, sell, buy, buy. Even though you say buy here, market refuses to buy. But then he did not say, he did not immediately say sell. You see? He just maintained the buy. He didn't change mouth. I still prefer I don't like that. But then you sell.
Yeah.
As he still sell now, he did not say buy here. He just ticked that sell. But he said opportunity again buy. But then the market did not respond, which is okay. You cannot get this 500%. So this one is still better. But if you ask me, I'll go with this one. I'll go with this one. This one now, if you ask me, I'll go with this one. Yeah. If this one tell you something, stay there. Can you see? Only sell. Can you see? And he sell. Sell again, and he sell. He doesn't waste time. If you say buy, buy. Can you see now? More refined. Makes sense. Okay? Makes sense. Eh? It's good on phone too. But you need to know the rule. If you want to use it on phone, you need to know the rule. Yes, you can use it on phone. But you need to know the rule. You need to know the rule. So if the rule, it work on phone.
On 15 minutes, and best 15 minutes.
If you are using DAX or indices.
What about currency?
1 hour is fine. 15 minutes is fine. Anytime frame you want. Okay? Anytime frame you want. Come here now and use it. EMA trend.
Is this one more superior to your EMA cross?
It's not more superior. It's not more superior. DMA cross, that DMA cross is 2 indicators in one. It's 2 moving averages. This one has a arrow. It means to choose between this strategy and this one, MA breakout, I'll choose this one. This one doesn't have arrow, but it's advanced. This one, if you tell you buy, you know the waste time. If you tell you sell, you can count. This one you can count on it, but people don't like it because it doesn't give signal like that. It's not like this one doesn't like, but it doesn't give signal. For example, now this is a potential buy as this now, but you can only buy if as long as this red, can you see red? Is above this black. As long as this red line is above this black, this price can still go up. If and only if the current price will print more candle to close above this level. If it does that, you can buy. It will give you money. But if it doesn't do that, you cannot. It would have been a good sell if, as this thing crossed below, as long as this one is below this black, this more candle prints and close below this level. It would have been a sell. Let me give you a classical example. If you go back in history, this is a very good one. The cross, the red is below the black, and then candle close below this level. It's a sell. Okay, let's go for the buy. Let's look for a very good buy. A very good opportunity for a buy is this one. This one you can look at. So now, the red cross above what? The black. So, and then the candle that cross, so the candle that touch. So here is a buy, is the beginning of buy. But if you miss this one now and you're not counting it, this is the first, after this long move, this is the first time candle will return to this line. So as long as this red is above this black, we can buy if candle will print more and close above this level. And it happened here, can you see it? So, and that's an aggressive move. Oh my God. If you see this one and you enter pie here, don't use, if you are seeing this kind of opportunity after you break, please do not use small lots.
1 point.
Hey!
1.5.
Oh my God. You hammer big lots.
So, that was during the NFP.
Sir,
So, F1.
For this one, the parameter is simple. It's 21 and 50. You have this one, Abi. You can use it on your phone too. No. It's 21 and 50.
So I have a question.
That's 21, and then this one is 50. Yes, question.
The question terms of fundamental, because there's some fundamental I've been trading for some time.
Okay.
Especially the federal market. So what it usually does is it goes to, or recently towards the end of the year, you need to see some, some things that are not corresponding. So what ideally used to happen on that instrument being the
Which instrument do you trade during the IFOs?
that's I do gold, I do in US on the mostly US on
During the FOMC. Okay.
So what I noticed was that since this exercise is
Maybe October.
Yes. When does the second one just refuse to do the same thing as
Okay, let me tell you what I feel is happening. Now, if you check FOMC of recent, since that October, rate has been kept constant.
Yes.
So the FOMC is like a statement, is that not?
Yes.
Following the rate has been kept constant. So if I were you, I will not trade again until they decide to either be increasing it or decreasing it. So from February now, I feel that from February they should be dropping it. You can be trading again. It should go with you. Now that the rate is kept constant, it may be difficult for you to know where the price is going. Because as you're analyzing from your bedroom in Lagos here, people are analyzing in America, people are analyzing in Europe, people are analyzing in Australia, people are analyzing in China. People with diverse reasons as to what that statement means. So the statement may mean something to you, it may mean something to him, something else. So if I were you, I would stay away from that instrument. Now you have observed it like twice. October on, November on. It shouldn't happen this December. You can stay away until they decide to now decrease it, because what they'll be doing now that I have a constant, they should be dropping it from next year. Question.
Which is the expression?
Is
Expression. Both of them.
No. One of them is exponential. Another one is simple.
Okay.
This moving average you're looking at, the red is exponential, the black is simple. The idea behind this one, you can use your phone. The idea behind this one is we are looking at getting a stability for the market. The exponential is aggressive. The simple is a little bit reserved. Now, if you combine an aggressive strategy with the reserve strategy, you should get a balance. That's what generates this strategy. Since I've been trading this strategy, I've never lost money on it. 50 is simple. Red is exponential. Very, very fantastic strategy. It's underrated. It's a little bit people underrate it. People say, it's difficult to. The thing is this: the truth is difficult to understand. But if you can get it, you can make money. Scalpers can use it. 1 minute, 5 minutes, you can use it. Make a lot of money. 1 minute, 5 minutes, you can use it. Let me see if I can give you something that, and like this one now, you missed opportunity here, because candle that cross, this candle that touch. So here is where you sell. For 5 minutes, so you sold, you would have collected a lot of money.
Now, in this case, what if it was the news that came down? That's the first candle after the cross. That's the red line was low. So, and the first candle was a long candle, a very long candle, maybe news trigger that. Should you wait for the market to drive back to go and touch before placing the sell?
Yes. If the first candle did not touch, you need to wait for the market to go back and touch. But if the first candle touch, you can enter. You enter that sell. But if it doesn't touch, please don't try it. Like this one now. The candle that cross, It's not the candle that touch. This is the one that cross, I mean. After this red cross the black. There's no candle among this lot that touch the red line of the black. So you stay away, you wait. You need to wait for the price to return to either the red or the black. And this is the first returning point, this one. Is that not? So this is where you now come back. You are waiting for, after this touch, you are waiting for the candle to come and begin to close above this level. You can place the buy, quietly collect your money. But you know you're a scalper. You're a scalper, you're not looking to make 10 pips. You're looking to make 2, 3, 4, 5 pips. Okay, but I don't scalp anyway. I wait for the price to give me what I want, then I generate my money. Okay, I prefer to use the 1 hour. I prefer that so that I can generate like 50 pips, 50 pips, 40, 30, 35, 40, 50. I generate that prip and I move on. Okay.
Sorry, the black is this 41 or 50? The black.
The black is 50.
Black
and the simple, yes. Red is 21. Eh? Don't use it on 1 minute, though. Don't use on. I'm saying that people can use it on 5 minutes if they want. Me, I don't recommend it because I don't do scalping. I don't scalp. Now you can see that in this class now, somebody has made 8,000. Me, I've not made more than 4,000. You can see I'm not a scalper. Those people I'm seeing, they are scalpers. Because you can see my own is still, since that time, you see that 4,000 because I'm looking for I'm looking at the bigger picture. They are looking at small, collect. I'm not saying small. I'm saying big. This thing can generate up to like maybe 17, 30, 40 something thousand for me. I can wait. I can be patient and wait. And guess what? Good things come to those who are wait. If you can wait in this market, you can make a lot of money. If you cannot wait, you waste your money. Don't do that. So wait until the profit generates big, collect big and move on. Right? Any other question? I'm still waiting for this one to start the journey. This one is already generating profit. Okay. So I just set this one up. All these ones are automated strategies, not to concern me, concern placing trade on these ones. Okay. Oh, sorry. All right. Any other question? Shall we say it's okay? It's already 2 o'clock. Just 2 hours class. Just a rough mind. So, how many of us here have up to 600,000 in our account? You follow up. Yes, you need that. Contact your manager. Because it will make it happen for you. But if you know you have it, just meet Mayowa. Let him check your account to be sure you are telling us the truth. And then the indicator is yours. Straight away, no jokes. The indicator is yours. So thank you very much, everybody. Online followers, thank you for your time. And of course, this is on YouTube. You can always watch and watch and watch. Of course, I will see you again. Merry Christmas in advance. Yes, you can watch and watch and watch. Watch and watch and watch. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.